Welcome to Defendify, the all-in-one cybersecurity platform. Defendify approaches cybersecurity through its three key layers: a layer of foundation with policies, procedures, and plans, a layer of culture that raises employee awareness through ongoing training and testing, and a layer of technology that goes beyond traditional antivirus and firewalls. Within each of these three layers are modules to help build a comprehensive cybersecurity program at your organization. With Defendify, cybersecurity is not something you do once, like a project, but rather an ongoing program. With Defendify Essentials, you can kickstart your program with three key modules: the Defendify Cybersecurity Health Checkup tool, the Defendify Vulnerability Scanner, and the Defendify Threat Alerts. Let's take a look at how each of these modules work. Under the foundational layer are four modules. With Defendify Essentials, the Cybersecurity Health Checkup tool is included. This assessment tool will help provide a deep dive into your company's cyber posture. With it, you can identify gaps and receive remediation recommendations. Once you complete the checkup process, a full report is generated. This report provides you with a quick letter grade and outlines strengths and weaknesses in the categories of network, data, security, policies, procedures, and more. If your organization has compliance needs, the report will map your posture against cybersecurity frameworks such as NIST, Center for Internet Security, HIPAA, and GDPR. The Defendify Cybersecurity Health Checkup will inform you as to what changes need to be undertaken in a clear and easy-to-understand format. Culture is the next layer of the Defendify platform and includes 5 modules. Defendify Essentials includes the Threat Alerts module. The Defendify Threat Alerts module keeps you aware of key threats happening in the cybersecurity landscape that might impact your organization. These alerts may include fraud and scams identified, vulnerabilities discovered on devices and applications, key security updates from vendors, and detected phishing attacks. Having an awareness of these threats will prepare your organization to take action as needed. Now let's look at the Defendify technology layer. It includes 3 modules. Defendify Essentials includes our Vulnerability Scanner. The Defendify Vulnerability Scanner is automated and produces reports in Defendify monthly. Once fully deployed, the Defendify Vulnerability Scanner can be used to scan your entire network, including devices, applications, printers, and even IoT devices such as security cameras or displays. This rating system helps you to identify which vulnerabilities to consider correcting first. The report may include out-of-date software, vulnerabilities based on known CVEs, default passwords incorrectly left on devices, and more. Along with identifying the vulnerabilities, the Defendify Vulnerability Scanner also includes remediation recommendations to assist you in taking the next steps. With Defendify Essentials, you can kickstart your cybersecurity program and get started deploying and managing an automated, simplified, and cost-effective cybersecurity posture.